Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the language within the Gardenscapes game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Gardenscapes game within your device. And then if you haven't completed the basic tutorial levels, you'll need to complete it and finish the guide throughout the basic interface of the game. After completing this task, you will gain access to your home page, from which you can tap on the gear icon at the top right corner, which will take you into the settings page. Now, within the settings page, you will see the language option, which shows your currently selected language. Go ahead and tap on this, and now you will be able to choose from the various different languages that are available for the game. Just tap on your preferred language, and once you choose your language, you can close the Choose Language menu, and your language will be applied right away, and the game will restart in order to make this change. If you wish to change your language once again, you can come back to this menu as many times as you want in order to make your change. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the language within the Gardenscapes game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.